Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on My Sainsbury. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the search bar, type in My Sainsbury's HR login and press enter. Now from the search results, you will find the sign in link which says Colleague Hub. Go ahead and click on this and this will now redirect you into the colleague or the HR login portal. Go ahead and type in your email address within the email address box and make sure to use the account email address that you were given while signing up for your account. You can then click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your HR account with My Sainsburys. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Can't Access Your Account option and you will be redirected into a page which will allow you to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on My Sainsburys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.